Hey everybody, it's your old pal Nick Raybar. Welcome to Keep On Cooking, and today we're making miso honey grilled steaks with a ginger chimichurri sauce. Absolutely perfect for this time of year. Let's get going. Today to make this, we're gonna need some New York sirloin steaks. We're gonna need some miso paste, honey, rice vinegar, a little H2O, salt and pepper, ginger, garlic, shallots, cilantro, and chopped parsley. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get cooking. We're gonna start with a little bit of the miso paste, and then some beautiful dark honey, about equal parts, a cap full of rice vinegar, and a little bit of water just to break it up. Now we're gonna give it a whisk. Now when you mix this, you're gonna see it forming into this miso honey paste. It's gonna be absolutely perfect to coat and char those New York sirloins. And you wanna make sure that you have just enough to coat it. Any leftover marinade is wasted marinade. And then we just wanna make sure that we flip it and we get enough on all sides. And then we're gonna go on with a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of cracked pepper, and they're gonna get ready to go for a tan. In about 3, 2, 1. So now we're gonna get these right on the grill. High heat for steaks. To cook a steak to temperature, you wanna sear that outside while leaving the inside to a nice desired temperature. I'm going for medium rare to medium. Everybody's different. Have fun, cook, and there are no rules. Now these are gonna require a little supervision, so don't be afraid to occasionally lift it up, take a look, and occasionally rotate your steaks. Now we'll give them a flip, and you can see how they've charred up perfectly on that one side. Oh, I love that color. All right, I think they've had enough. We're gonna get them out of there. We're gonna put them on this sheet tray. Nighty-night, boys. Let them rest. All right, we let these rest for a good 5 minutes or so, and then we're gonna carve right into it. And these steaks are that just that nice medium we were looking for. You can see inside, it's still got a little bounce back. Just perfect. We're gonna slice it all the way through, end to end. And you can see that char. Oh, we're gonna go right over to the plate. Those look beautiful. And wait a minute. Do you hear that? They're calling for ginger chimichurri. Let's give it to them. Chimichurri is a South American sauce that typically doesn't have ginger, but winter is such a great time to use this ingredient, so we're gonna put it front and center. Little fresh chopped ginger, a little minced garlic, a little minced shallot. We have some cilantro, a little bit of chopped parsley, vinegar of your choosing. To complement the ginger, I'm gonna go with some rice vinegar, a little bit of olive oil. Just let it pour. Oil is okay here. All right. Pinch of kosher salt and some fresh cracked pepper. Now, I'm gonna give that a whisk and bring all of those herbaceous, lively, aromatic flavors together. Now we're gonna go right on top of that carved steak. And there you have it. You have the miso honey steaks, thinly sliced, ginger chimichurri. I'm not sure there's anything left to say. That's a wrap from here, guys. Thanks for watching as always. I'm Nick Raybar, and until we meet again, keep on cooking.